Hey, here we're going to try and solve the equation, and it is the quantity of x minus 5 squared equals 9. Now, you could take this left-hand side and full that out, collect like terms, try and pull everything to one side, and then either factor or use quadratic formula, and that would definitely work, at least one of the two. But another option here is to notice that you do have something squared. Okay, so if we think about that, we could go back to the idea of the square root principle. We got something squared equals 9. Now, that's something there. Let me change that notation just a little bit. Let's just say there is something here squared, which makes it a good candidate for the square root principle, which means we could take the square root of both sides. So if I do that, let's just make sure we're clear. We got x minus 5 squared, and we've got 9 over here. So if we take the square root of both sides, remember that introduces a plus or minus. So on the left we get x minus 5, and the square root of 9 is 3, so we get plus or minus 3 on the right hand side. So basically that's two different equations to solve. X minus 5 equals 3, and x minus 5 equals negative 3. And x minus 5 equals 3. If you pull the 5 over, you get x equals 8. It's not so bad once you're done to check that out and see if it works. And the other one, x minus 5 equals negative 3. If we pull that over, we get 2. So let's see. If we want to check these, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is a positive 9. So they both work. So you can still use the square root principle even though it's not a single variable that's squared, but an expression.